Alright, YouTube. So right now it's a Bugatti right there, and I'm finna shoot out a Bugatti, but this shit is crazy, YouTube. Like this junk is insane.
I'll get out of the way.
Look at this shit, YouTube. Look at this, YouTube. Like this is a fucking Bugatti, bro. This shit crazy. Like, when I tell y'all this shit's insane, bro. You got the blue side on there. Nah, that shit crazy. That's why I be trying to tell y'all niggas, bro. Like, it's all type of cars in this motherfucker, bro. Like, that's why I be coming over here. Like, it's like every car that you want, it's out here. So like, it's easy to manifest it, it's easy to see it, it's easy to just touch it and just, you know what I'm saying. But that one, they kind of like block it off because like they don't want people to touch it. And I don't blame them because it's like this shit. It's like an expensive ass car. Like at least like it go for like what, 3 mil, like 2-3 mil. So I wouldn't want like nobody to touch my shit anyway. But I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little TikTok clip for my TikTok and my car page. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to the car, y'all. This jump fire as hell, but like my mic just broke, so I gotta like watch out for it. It keep falling.
No name.
But
I get one.
look at this jump, man. This jump hard. Nice little walkthrough for y'all. You know what I mean? But yeah, that boy, is it done show up to the car? I'll show y'all.
Man, you know it, bro. I had to pop
That shit
out for
crazy.
one time.
But it's a fucking Bugatti, bro. That shit hard as hell,
Where?
bro. Over there. That shit tough, bro. Nigga, it be so many cars in this motherfucker. That shit.
Just can't get the network, bro.
I'm trying to tell you, bro. I be trying to tell your ass.
Like,
Like,
the Bugatti at? What
do you see most out here?
Man, ain't no white.
Come on. Hey,
Where are people at?
I try to tell you. Niggas go to the club. They don't like niggas don't know about this type of shit like that. You know what I mean?
You feel me?
Yeah, niggas like niggas go to the club. Do like it's cool too, but like
Damn.
that's what I'm trying to be
What
at.
car right here?
It's a Bugatti, bro.
Oh.
First time I see one in person. Shit crazy.
For real?
Yeah.
Where'd you come from?
I thought it was
Yeah, green or green Aiden. I saw him over there for like 5 minutes.
This shit's crazy, bro. Like, look at this shit. Like, I ain't gonna lie, you two. I can't really go over there because like they got like a little bar, so like niggas don't like touch it and stuff. But what I can say, bro, this junk is hard with the super blue interior, bro. Like, bro, you two. I ain't gonna lie, I'm geeking, y'all. I'm geeking right now. This shit too crazy. This shit's crazy. Ah, you two, look at that Bugatti, twin. That shit crazy. It's a fucking Bugatti, bro.
Actually, no, this is my first one.
This is a fucking Bugatti, bro. This shit crazy, like. Yeah, like I know I'm geeking right now, you two, but it's like this shit like 5.6 amp, and you don't see it every single day, bro. So like, I just want to show y'all, bro, like this shit right here is possible, bro. Anybody watching this right now, and you want to know like if those cars is possible, it's possible. It's right here, literally right here. I can't touch it because they know what I'm saying, barricade the spot is my. But it's just look at this shit, y'all. We're gonna have it one day, Z. One day, bro.
Hey, that's the new motto, nigga. Hey.
One day, bro.
One day.
You, bro. We're gonna have one of this shit, bro. This is crazy.
One day, for real.
Like, look at the brake caliper in this motherfucker. Big brake. You know what I mean?
I wish he could turn it on, bro.
I do too. You too. So as y'all can see right now, we have a Bugatti Chiron. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but let me show y'all, bro. This car is made of full carbon fiber. Carbon fiber all around this shit. My mic just broke, but it don't matter because y'all need the content anyway. But it's a blue interior with the blue line. Yeah, you go ahead. You know what I mean? This junk is hard, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, this shit got attention of everybody. Like, I wish I could get closer for y'all, but they being a little weird today. You know what I'm saying? Cause like they don't want people to touch the car. But look at this joint, y'all. It's just beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful.
The interior, please.
So, as y'all can see one more time, you know what I'm saying? Nice little Bugatti Chiron. See what I'm saying? You got blue book calipers and stuff. Carbon fiber all around it. You know what I mean? This shit just crazy, y'all. It's just crazy. Alright, YouTube, so we at the car show, right? And it's a Cybertruck right here. Look at this shit, y'all. That junk is dancing. What? Would you get a Cybertruck? You wanna get one?
I wouldn't, bro.
Wow.
I don't fuck with how they look.
It's straight though. I feel like
It's cool to have. It's
for a business like marketing shit, marketing wise.
It's a trend though. Everybody want it.
Yeah. It's hard though. But yeah, I don't know, bro. Like, I would get one of these, but it's cool. It's just like the shape is just hard. Like the triangle shape. You know what I'm saying? The tire is like a fucking big ass tire in the motherfucker. It's cool though, but we want Lambo to trap home. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm a Lambo to
I love insecure ass niggas, bro. Niggas be hilarious.
This nigga funny as shit. But yeah. Hey YouTube, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This probably the most like craziest shit out here. Like, look how high this tires is, bro. Like, bro, this shit is almost as tall as me. Like, bro, the tire is the same height as me. Like, this is crazy. This shit is insane, man. You got a black one right there, an orange one. And then you got like another one over there too. But this is crazy, like. Alright, look at the copyright. I don't wanna get copyright. I don't wanna get copyright.
Can I try it?
Cause then everybody wants to try
I respect it.
Yeah, man.
Can I see you try it?
When I get out, yeah.
We got a Barber's. It's a Barber's too? It be crazy. Look at this shit, y'all.
I ain't fucking with the rap.
Look at this shit, drunk. Barber's 800. That shit hard though. The last person will touch this car in the trunk. Oh, he fell?
You don't see that damn scab right there?
Oh shit, I hope he's straight. I hope he's straight.